Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how the world's most secure currency, the dollar, is made, step by step.
Exact ratios ensure strength, longevity, and security.
Fiber consistency just dropped 0.05.
Acknowledged. Initiating thermal recalibration sequence now.
Every sheet is engineered with multiple layers of protection.
Every dollar is rigorously inspected before entering circulation.
And that's how the world's most secure currency is made. Weighed, counts, from start to finish.